Attention dental hygienist. What if I told you that you could replace your $85,000 a year salary with QQQI? In this video, I'm going to show you how. We're going to look at the entry, median, and peak level salaries, and we're going to use QQQI's 14% dividend yield in order to get to our figures. All right, so let's start off with the salaries. The entry level salary for a dental hygienist is $60,000 a year. The median salary for a dental hygienist is $75,000 a year. Last but not least, the peak level salary for a dental hygienist is $105,000 a year. To replace the entry level salary, we will have to take $60,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $429,000 worth of QQQI. To replace the median salary, we will have to take $75,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $536,000 worth of QQQI. Last but not least, the peak salary. In order to replace the peak salary, we're going to have to take $105,000 and divide it by 0.14. That's going to give us $750,000 worth of QQQI. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that wraps up the video. Now you're probably looking at this video or watching this video and you have a sigh of relief. And yes, guys, I will agree with you. This is something to be relieved about, because for years and years, we have been taught that we need millions of dollars to become financially free, but not in today's time. But at the same time, these figures still take a while to achieve. Now, unfortunately, most people will not achieve these numbers, even though they have worked for 40 years. But the ones that do invest consistently, reinvest their dividend income, and invest in all market conditions. Guys, just think about it for a second. You have enough money. You have enough passive income to pay over your bills. What does that mean? No fast-paced scheduling, no difficult patients, and last but not least, no exposure risk. Guys, before I wrap up this video, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes, so please do your own research. And guys, QQQI is an ETF that also carries risk. The NAV can erode, the dividend can decline, and we can also go through a dividend cut, especially in a downturn market. So never put all of your eggs in one basket. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. That's all I have for you. If you liked this video and found it informative, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you know when my next video will pop up. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. See you guys in the next video.